Do we have a tiny, tiny little baby car, a little tiny toy car behind us, trying to intimidate? I think we do, don't we? He's backed off a little bit now. Just give it a second, he'll speed back up again. We'll find out, we'll find out. I'll maintain my 29.8 miles per hour. Go on, do the red light, do the red light, do the red light! Yes, you legend! What a f***ing nutter. In the dark as well, man. In the dark. What a prick. What a prick. Do we still have tiny little car behind us trying to intimidate? I think we do. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, bum, 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 bum. Bye-bye, little car, bye-bye. I want to catch that cyclist. It's just to show you I'm not going absolutely mental. I did actually see one, didn't I? I'm questioning myself. No, there he is. There he is, just there. Hello, cyclist, in your f***ing dark clothes. What a bellend. What a knobhead. Can you see it? Did you even see it? Did anybody in the comments see that prick? His tiny little car coming back to play. I maintain my 29 point whatever it is miles an hour. Hello, little baby car. I feel so scared. I get so scared of little stupid cars. You know what? This is a place where there are a lot of drunk people. Let's slow down to about 25 just to be safe. We don't want to go killing any drunk people, do we? That'd be the worst thing ever, to kill a pisshead. Good parking. Good parking. Do we still have baby car behind it? Yeah, we do. I can't even see it. Is that small? It's like buried beneath my my boot lid. Let's go slow with the speed bump. I don't want to ruin my suspension. That would be devastating. That would. Is anyone? Oh, are you going to come around this way? No, it's fine. I'm going to just carry on smoothly over this roundabout. Smooth, man. Smooth. I often wonder why people get up your ass. He's gone now. Oh, that was fun. I often wonder why people get up your ass and try and encourage you to speed up. I mean, I was going the speed limit, okay, which was 30, all the way down that road, the big road, where we did the music. I was going 30, okay? Now, at what point do you, like, think when you're tailgating someone, do you really think they're going to speed up for you? I mean, for me, just me specifically, okay, I know this, I'm ranting now, I'm having a fucking rant. If you're going to get up my ass and expect that to work and make me speed up, you are very, very wrong, my friend, because I will slow down. I've got a very big car and I take up quite a bit of the road. I will slow down purposely to wind you up some more. That's I know it's a bit nasty, but if you're going to get on my ass and be a prick, I'll slow down and wind you up. Give you something to be a prick about, at least, innit? Wow, savage, Benji, savage. Rant over.